Hello students, welcome back to Springs Academy. We're going to continue with our progressions or series, and now we're working on the second part of that, which is geometric progression. So I've prepared some notes, as I always do, for you to understand before we start solving. So I'm going to read through it. Please follow me as I read. This is a series in which each item differs from the other by a common multiple. Take note, this one is different from the AP. We are now with the geometric progression. This is a series in which each item differs from the other by a common multiple, not a common difference. This multiple is known as ratio, R. Take note of that denotation, R. Now we move on to the terms of a GP. The terms of a GP are given as A, AR, AR to the power 2, and you can continue, that is AR to the power n minus 1. With the first term, T1 is equal to A. Second term, T2 is equal to AR. Third term, T3 is equal to AR to the power 2. The nth term, Tn, is equal to AR to the power n minus 1. Now that is just for you to a series of formulas for you to be able to understand. Just follow me as I continue explaining. Now the B part, the common ratio, that is the R. Let's look at now the common ratio as on its own to be able to understand. The common ratio of a GP is the coefficient of two terms. When the common ratio is greater than 1, that is R is greater than 1, the GP is increasing. When R is less than 1, the GP is termed a decreasing GP. It is given as T2 divided by T1, or R is equal to n minus m. You take the root of Tn divided by Tm. Okay, we'll go now to the sum of ratio. The sum of a GP would depend on whether the GP is increasing or a decreasing GP. GP is geometric progression. This is given as Sn is equal to A to the power n minus 1. You divide it by R minus 1 for an increasing GP. That is, R is greater than 1, or Sn is equal to A minus 1 to the power n. You divide it by 1 minus R for a decreasing GP. That is when R is less than 1. When R is equal to 1 or R is equal to 0, there will be no progression. Take note of that. Now that's the summary of a geometric progression. Please try to watch this video again for you to be able to understand, so because in the next video we are going to be solving an example, so you'll be able to understand a geometric progression. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.